Hello and welcome back. After upgrading the FPV camera, it's time to upgrade the action camera on this drone. You can always use DVR recording, but the quality is pretty low. I had to upgrade from this SJ-C100 Plus camera. It's too heavy for the drone, and also you have to connect it with an app to produce its best 2.7K video. This app doesn't work too great for me. To shoot landscape style video, you have to mount the camera like this, which is a problem because it makes the drone very top heavy to the point where I always crashed immediately after taking off. If you mount the camera sideways, you can take off, but the video is shot in portrait style, which is not ideal for YouTube. The Runcam Thumb is a micro camera that doesn't have a built-in battery and relies on the battery of the drone. It also features a built-in gyroscope, which allows to extract gyro data from your flight, which makes stabilizing and post 3D easy. As it does not have a built-in battery, the weight is a lot lighter than my original camera. This is the plug for the new camera. You have to cut it to a fitting size. I decided to solder a power supply to the VTX, which might not be my best idea as I'm thinking of replacing this one next. But you can go for the 5V and the ground contact there. As always, first put a little bit of tin to the contact pads, make sure you don't bridge anything. Next, put solder on the free contacts of the cables. Once your cables are covered in tin, you can then go and connect the black cable to the ground and the red cable to the 5V connector on the flight controller. Again, it's important not to bridge anything and try not to breathe in the fumes. Your finished soldering should look something like this. You can simply open the SD card holder and place the card inside. This is what flying looks like with the standard settings. Next steps are trying out gyro flow or stabilization and adjusting the settings to my likings. This entire flight is on my YouTube channel. Would be happy if you check it out. I hope this was helpful. Good luck and have fun.